The gap between US home sellers and buyers reached a record high, signaling potential pressure on property prices. In fact, reports say that in June 2025, there were about 1.92 million home sellers actively in the market, the highest level since March 2020. In contrast, the number of active home buyers fell to around 1.41 million, the lowest since April 2020. And this means there were over 500,000 more sellers than buyers. That's a whopping 36% mismatch. The imbalance has widened sharply over the past year. In mid-2024, the gap between sellers and buyers stood at just 7%, but has since accelerated as higher borrowing costs, economic uncertainty, and affordability challenges kept many prospective buyers on the sidelines. The surplus of sellers relative to buyers typically puts downward pressure on the home prices as more inventory competes for fewer purchasers. Analysts noting that similar dynamics in previous cycles have led to increased price cuts and slower sales. And if the trend continues, reports suggesting that the US housing market could see broader price adjustments in the coming months, particularly in overheated regions. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.